Hey there, Wumbles Hive. So, I thought I'd have a little go with a miniature subscription to Scrawlr Box and see if it's something I'm interested in. They had a little offer on, I think it was November, to sign up for a couple of months for a cheaper amount. So I thought, go on, I'll give it a go, we'll see what happens. So here we are. This is December box. Unfortunately, I've been super busy, so I'm way behind opening it, and it's only just December. Haha. But at least I'm doing it. Here we go. So I have not opened it. So we've got a little pull tab. Excuse the noise. Did it as quiet as possible for you. So there we go. So I'll turn it over. Oh, I've spent all month avoiding looking at Scrawlr Box on YouTube because it'll give it away and I didn't want to ruin the surprise. So you're as surprised as I am. I have no idea what's in here, but here we go. So we've got a little white wrap up. What I believe is a chocolate coin. We have a little A6 watercolour pad just there. This is the Scrawlr zine that comes with each box. And here we have a beautiful piece of artwork that has got some information on the back about the artist, who is Clarissa Grandi. Clarissa is a geometric artist, author and teacher, first and foremost an educator. Her passion is introducing beginners to the truly accessible art of geometry. Right, you can see that she makes some beautiful imagery as well there. Look at that. Gorgeous. So we pop that to one side. So this is box number 100, would you believe? I believe, if I remember right, that was the offer, that it was 100 boxes in and they'd reduced the price. Well, this is looking exciting. I think we're giving away what's going to be in here. And if that, I'm so excited. Right, let's put the chocolate coin to one side. This is an age-old tradition in England, way back to the 80s, possibly before, but definitely the 80s. Chocolate coin in your Christmas box. So that's exciting, that's cute. So we've got the Scrawlr sticker holding it all together. Let's have a look what's inside, and it is what I thought it was. Oh my goodness, look at that cute sticker. That's gorgeous. So we have got here a gold Uniball Signo pen. So that's cool. I've never actually had a really posh one. I've only had the poor version from our local cheap shop, Wilco's, before it shut down. Anybody else use those? I'm not sure what this is, so we'll open it up. Kind of looks like a pin badge. And it is. It's the 100 box special pin badge. That is cool. That's going in my pin badge collection. And this is some Derwent colours. Oh my days. Oh my days. Derwent tinted charcoal paint pan set. And these are all pretty much blues and purples. That's so cool. So let's get this Scrawlr zine and just have a little check on what it says we're getting. So we have got striking gold lines with a ruler or without, with this gold fine liner. So that's the fine liner. Solid smooth milk chocolate coin wrapped in decorative gold foil. 100 pennies of chocolate, and it is a £1 coin, which is really cool. We've got the sticker. We've got charcoal paints, charcoal, so that you don't have Charcoal you don't have to touch for those people who can read. Apply water and paint away for a textured matte finish. Deep hues from mountain blue to dark moss. These 12 subtle tones are ideal for a range of creative and atmospheric effects. Keep us posted. 10 pages of high quality watercolour postcards to post or not to post. Stick a pin in it. It's our 100th box, and to celebrate we're including this exclusive Scrawlr pin only for our subscribers. And of course there is the artist's print. So this gives you more information about the artist. And a little, as you can see, the gorgeous artworks on the second page there. And then it gives you tips on how to use the actual equipment that you get. Well, I am super excited about this box. Oh, I can't even wait. I don't know what I'm going to create. Hopefully it's going to give me some tips in the book. Shall we have a little look? I didn't go all the way through the book. So what we've got, artist's advice, how to create blooms, teaching you how to make effects. Ooh, Scrawlr gallery. I love seeing other people. And this is why I've not even been able to look on Instagram properly, because I follow Scrawlr challenge and I thought it was going to give it away. Right. Nothing hyper specific. Scrawlr challenge tessellate. I might be a little bit too late for that, but I can always throw something in late. Right, guys, what do you think about this? Are you as excited as I am? We've got a little water pen, a gorgeous little sponge. I think this is even going to be good for my plein air. Maybe I can use this for some plein air work. Oh, so excited. So exciting. So the watercolour postcards, the Derwent set, the gold pen, the artwork, the special pin, and the £1 chocolate coin. What do you guys think? I'm so excited. Can't wait to see what we're going to create. I will show you guys at some point in the next month. Keep an eye out on the YouTube. Thanks for hanging out, guys. I hope that was interesting for you. Let me know if you're interested in seeing these more often. Maybe I do, maybe I don't. Who knows? But this one has made me very, very happy. And that's what it's all about, guys. Find something that makes you smile. And as always, be happy.